video is pretty specific. It's for Lower Paxton Township, the residents of Lower Paxton Township. Beautiful, brisk, cold, chilly day. Harrisburg, PA, Central PA, Dauphin County, Lower Paxton, PA residents. Bill Moore with less is here for the residents of Lower Paxton Township. There's a new sheriff in town, and it's a code enforcement officer. Her name is, I don't know what her name is, I gotta look on the paper. Sincerely, Dana High Douche. Check. I believe that. So we live in a commonwealth. We don't live, in our neighborhood's not an HOA. It's just a commonwealth neighborhood. So they're, keep the place nice. I get it. We understand. But this new sheriff in town is being a little new, authority driven. Oh my goodness, got a new badge. It's a code enforcement officer, and I've dealt with so many of them people in the past. Hey, big brother, little brother, we don't need you. Never have. We the people. You guys work for us. Don't forget. Every time somebody gets power trip you on a badge. So this code enforcement officer is telling us to take out your papers and your trash. Yakety yak. Nope. We don't need you. We got it. We're big boys and girls here. But this video is for my neighbors, because whether you're a resident of Lower Paxton, I don't want these yahoos, or however you want to call them, to scare you in any way. Yes, there is certain rules you need to apply by. Take out your trash, of course. But if there's any residents or older residents, or don't let them scare you, please contact us. We've got the dump trailers, the trucks, the storage units, the this and that and this. We've got whatever Lower Paxton Township residents need to clean up whatever you need. We've got your back. Don't let these people scare, intimidate. Don't let it happen. Bill Moore with less is here for you. This video took a long time to actually make. Believe it or not, this is version number 6. I was so cussing in all the other ones, and we want Bill Moore with less to be positive, not negative. I rip these people up and down the other. I don't care what they're doing towards us. I already take care of stuff. Took care. But I care about my neighbors. So if you need a dump trailer, if you need a truck, if you need stuff moved, if you need a local scrapper guy to come pick up whatever you need, we got you covered. Whatever you need. Whatever. Don't let the sheriffs in the world irritate you. Don't let them do it. And how we know this one's a newbie, if you've checked out this channel at all in the past, I had a 5-ton lawn ornament in my yard for about 2.5 years. Nobody bitched. My neighbors, nobody bitched. So this one's a newbie. Guaranteed. Community service announcement from Bill Moore with less. Get a hold of us. Jump on your computer to get a hold of us. Get on your computer. You can't do it with the TV clicker. Not with the remote. Won't work. Jump on your computer, your smartphone. Comment. Hey, need help? You got it. We're there. It's good to go. And to the code enforcement officers of the world, I understand some of you have a job to do. Man, watch what you step on and watch how hard you step. Just saying. Might bite you. Shit might bite you. Careful. America. Red, white, and blue. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? America. Freedom's we pay our taxes. Go away. Boo-boo. Oh, see? Trying so hard to have this this video positive, and it's a tough pill to swallow because, man, I pay my taxes. We have a nice house. We have. There's something somebody didn't like, and oh my goodness, Old Blue. Nobody likes Old Blue. Why not? I don't get it. Check out Old Blue and see the transformation coming along. You know, this code enforcement officer had me throw away what they refer to as garbage, but I refer to as money, recyclable reuse. I just might sue this person. I've been tossing it around. We'll see. There's some people I almost feel bad for. Like, you actually are looking at this and you call this trash. That's funny to me, because what you see trash is garbage, something that's not worth anything. I can make a buck out of it. What? Build more with less. What don't you understand about that by now? You know what? That's vintage insulation, right? And I actually was going to save it for another project. But now, since I don't have the proper container to hold it in, I got to throw it away. I just might sue you, Dana, for me throwing Look at that. That's not trash. It's not trash. Trash to you, maybe, because you can't see. Just because you're blind. Huh? That's not trash to me. You might not be able to make a buck out of this, but I can. I have that gift. Yeah, gift, Dana. Lumber, all kinds of lumber, and so in closing, residents of Lower Paxton, Central PA, do not fret. Contact us. Comment to contact. If you're having problems with this code enforcement officer, I already know a few have. So let us know. We got the tools and the equipment. We got the equipment to whatever you need. Whatever you need, man. We got your back. Go build something and share it.